So good afternoon dear students, how are you? Today we are going to learn grammar, and in grammar we are going to do voices. Voices. Now what are voices? Voices are active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. So what is the difference between active voice and passive voice? Active voice means when the subject is given importance, that is active voice. Subject is given importance, that is active voice. And in passive voice, the action is given importance. Given importance. You know, the subject is given importance, and in this the action is given importance. And in the second point, in active voice, you know, the subject does the action. The subject does the action. The subject does the action means the subject comes first, and in passive voice, the object comes in the subject place and subject goes in the object place. Subject goes to object, objects comes to subject, right? Now see in this. Now you can see here active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. Now what is active voice? What subject does? You know what is active voice? What subject does. And what is passive voice? The focus is on the action. Take an example. Take an example for active voice. Ram killed Ravan. This is a very simple present tense. Ram, this is simple past tense. Ram killed Raman. Now we have to change, you know, I explained you that this object becomes the subject and subject becomes the object. Now Ravan was, this is killed, this is past tense. That is why we used was here. Ravan was killed by Ram. Ravan was killed by Ram. Now here the object becomes the subject and subject becomes the object. In passive voice, you know, the main importance is given to the action. Ravan was killed. Now see here, you can see some type of example. Simple present tense. This is present simple present tense. I do my homework. Now I is what? Subject. My homework is what? Object. Now in passive voice, it becomes my homework is done. I do my homework. My homework is done. Present continuous. See present continuous. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. Now in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. My homework is being done. This is ing, right? Present continuous means ing. But in the passive voice, we add is, because it is present, my homework, and being. We add being in passive voice, and done, V3 form. This is V4 form, ing form, gerund form, and it becomes V3 form in the passive voice. Now past simple. I did my homework. My homework was done. Past continuous. I was doing my homework. My homework was being done. Present perfect. I have done my homework. My homework has been done. Now we'll see a short video. In this video, we'll get to know some points, right? Please see this video. Active voice and passive voice.
Present simple.
Now see present simple. Subject plus V1 in the V1 form. Subject plus M is R plus V3 form. V3 form. It becomes V3 form.
I make a cake. A cake is made by me.
Pay attention. This is simple present. I make a cake. A cake is made by me. Pay attention. I make a cake. I make a cake. A cake is made by me. Now this made is what? V3 form. Made is V3 form. I make a cake. A cake is made by me. This was simple present. Now
Present continuous.
present continuous. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing, that is continuous, right? This is continuous. Subject plus am is are plus v ing. Now subject, the object becomes the subject, am is are plus we have to add being. In present continuous we have to add being plus v3 form, not v4 form, right?
They are planting some trees. Some trees are being planted.
See, they are planting some trees. Now they are what? Subject. And trees, some trees are what? Object. So the object becomes the subject. Some trees are, we have to add being. Being planted. Planted means v3 form, planted. This was present continuous tense.
Present perfect.
Now see present perfect tense. Subject plus have plus has plus v3 form. See, have plus has plus v3 form. In present continuous we were adding being, that is being. Now in present perfect we will add been here, have or has depending on the subject, and then v3 form.
Someone has eaten my apple.
Someone has eaten my apple.
My apple has been eaten.
See, someone has eaten my apple, right? Someone has eaten my apple. Pay attention. Someone has eaten my apple. Now my apple has been eaten, right? In this in present continuous we were adding being, but in present perfect we will add been here. Okay, someone has eaten my apple. My apple has been eaten. Pay attention.
Present perfect continuous.
It is very rare. Present perfect continuous is rare. It comes very sometimes. See, subject plus have has plus be plus v ing, because it is perfect and also continuous. So has or have been plus v ing. Pay attention.
Sophia has been playing violin.
Sophia has been playing violin.
Violin has been being played by Sophia.
See, this is being. Okay, then we have to add been, we have to write been, and again also being. Violin has been being played by Sophia. This is very rare. Okay, this is very rare. We have to use this sometimes. So these are all what? Present tense, voices of present tense. Understood? Simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. All right, so these are what? These are the structure of active and passive voices, and these are the examples of active and passive voices. So in the next chapter we have to, this is active and passive voices. So in the next chapter we are going to learn more about active and passive voices. Till then we have to write some examples and problems related to it. Okay, thank you.